So I've decided I'm going to do one lash with liner and one lash with just anchors, okay? And this way you can see how it works. Let's see how this goes. For myself, I use my own liner. This is it's NYX liner. It's got like a marker. I love that, so I can shape my eyes if I wanted to do a wing. But I just do this first because it makes it really simple for me. I normally put liner on first, then I curl my eyelashes because I was just going to do anchors only, but I thought, what the heck, why not do both? And then you guys could see the difference. So I'm going to see how it goes because my lashes are pretty long with the mascara's made it longer. So that means I get liner on my lashes. So I'll have to stretch that eye out just for you guys today because I didn't want any more wrinkles. All right, here it goes. Okay, so now I've added my liner. Now this liner is not normally my normal liner. The reason I use this one is it kind of comes on really light. All I want to do is shape the line and maybe even do a little bit of a wing. I don't know if you can see that. It's just really tiny. So we have the Tori Belle magnetic mascara and the magnetic liner that comes all in one that you can use for the eyelashes. I haven't actually used the mascara. I've only used the liner, and I now am just wearing lashes with magnets. So I'm going to show you how so already I have the line. What I'm going to do is I have a little bit too much on there. I don't know if you can see, it looks little, but I'm just going to wipe it up just a tiny bit, just so it doesn't get so thick. Ugh, got it on my eyelash. Nothing you can do, you can just take it off. That makes for a little bit of mess, but that's okay. That's what we have remover for. You want to make sure that you get the corner ends so that they don't pop out. So I have really long lashes. Now that I've curled them up, they're going to get in the way. So I've done each lash from corner to corner. You want to make sure your lashes are going to start right here, and then you're going to come here. So we are just making sure that we get all the liner to go through. Now, if you look right here, I'm only trying to get the liner as close to my eyelash as possible. Okay. If you do thick liner, you don't want to get this all over. You don't want to waste it like that. This is just so you can magnetize it to your lashes, like a glue. Now I've done 2 coats of liner, and I'm just going to let this dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put anchors on this side and allow this just to dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 3 dots of liner on the lashes, as close to the lid as possible without getting it on the lid. I'm going to do that twice. In between, I'm going to let it rest for 2 minutes so that it dries up. You want it to dry first and then put the second coat. Line it the same way. I'm going to try and get this on film. Hopefully I don't screw that up. So I'll do that again because I think I need more for the first coat. It doesn't cake on, and I think I need to just, I think when you go like this, it will work better. So I have this little thingamajig that I use on my lashes. So in case I accidentally get some liner on there. This is to help spread instead of using it. Okay, now time for the second coat. I think I got too much on this one. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna let this part dry. Right now we're gonna put this lash on, and I kind of just move it like this is what I do. And I put it on the tweezers like this. Okay. And it should just snap in place. Ooh. And there you go. So I kind of just get the end of this part, and I just make sure that everything is just snug. And then I'll use this part of the brush and blend my own lashes. Normally when you have fake lashes with the adhesives, you kind of add mascara is what the girls do, but with these you do not want to put mascara on these lashes. Also, you don't want to do MRIs. Take them lashes off. You don't want to be like all shocked. I'm just joking. I don't know what happened, but we don't want to find that out. One thing about having long nails and putting lashes on, it's a little difficult, so you need to have one of these little tweezers. It just makes for easy peasy. Even when you have no nails on, tapping it and doing everything, it works beautifully. So I've already bent this to fit my eye. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Get that on there. Now, all this is doing is just getting it. I just put the eyelash on there. It's slightly on there. It's not connected like this one. It's not going to be. And now we're going to add the anchor. And just want to show you. Kind of want to put it on like that. See that? So I don't know how this is going to work with filming it, but what I like to do is I like to just pick up my lid just a little bit like this and as close to the eye as possible. And can you see that? Okay. And let's do the next one. Now what you're going to do is you're going to I add 3 total. So I have 1 in the center, and now I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to get as close as I can. Oops, I feel like my hand's all crooked. And it will snap into place. Voila! Adding the 3-dot liners makes it easier to put the anchors on. That's why I love that idea so much. If you mess up, you can just pull it out like that and then reapply. No, peasy. It's already just attaching itself just to the dot anyways. Okay, so now I have them on. So you can see. So you want to get them as close to the eyelid as possible. And one of the things that I do, so another really cool tip when putting these lashes on is that you want to get the lashes as close to the lid as possible. And if you're unsure of how it looks, because sometimes if you're looking in the mirror, it doesn't seem like it's close to you. But what I'll do is I'll do a picture, I'll do a picture, a side picture, and I'll do a picture close with my eyes closed, and then it will show and it looks, and nobody can tell. So people will ask me if I have extensions on, and I don't. But ladies' nights are, I have so many favorites. I always try something on and I go, oh my God. But these are the strong magnetic hold, and they magnetize so great. And I love this. I love these new magnets. I do. It's just amazing. So there you have it, with liner, without liner. They both look great. Some people wear the liner and they add magnets to the lashes anyways. I do that too. It just depends if I feel like if I'm going to go out and do something that's going to be, I'm afraid I'm going to lose a lash. I've yet to lose a lash, honestly. I have, yeah, I've gone in water. I'm not underwater, but somebody splashed water all over my face, and I was like, my lashes. And I have yet to lose a lash ever, 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 ever. I have forgotten that I had lashes on one of those days when you've had a little bit to drink and you're going to pass out. And I remember thinking, oh my God, as it takes the eyeliner off instantaneously. If you're not a big eyeliner person, I am happy to show you and teach you how and walk you through it. We can FaceTime, I can come to your home. I'm just that person. I want to see pretty lashes on everybody.